Someone who genuinely wants to understand you, they will, and you don't have to keep explaining yourself to them. And I want you to understand the difference between someone who genuinely doesn't understand you and someone who doesn't want to understand you. You know what happens is, when somebody misunderstands us, what is the very first thing we do? We start explaining ourselves. We start explaining like, no, I actually did not mean it like that. You start explaining your intentions. You start explaining why it actually happened. You start explaining what was going on, what was happening at the time, and then you start explaining everything. And even after explaining everything, they still see you the same way. And honestly, I want you to stop right there, because someone who has already made up their minds about you, you cannot change their perspective. You cannot force someone to understand something they have already decided they do not want to understand. And then think about people. There comes people who genuinely care about you. If you have, you know definitely people do make mistakes, okay? I'm not saying people don't make mistakes, they do. And when, if even if you do something wrong, people who genuinely care, they won't just forget everything good about you. They can take their time. They might be upset with you. They can ask you, they can ask you what is wrong. They'll tell you you are wrong, and it's completely fine. Someone telling us that we are wrong, it's completely fine. We also should know our mistakes, but they won't be like completely blaming you. They can ask you, they can tell you you are wrong even without blaming you for the whole situation. They won't be like ki, okay, it's your problem, you are the bad person, you're the wrong person. They'll try to at least understand why we actually did this. And those are the people we actually need to value, because they want to communicate with us. They want to listen. They want to actually try to listen what actually went through our minds at that time. And because these are the people who genuinely want us to be in their life. And then comes people who have already decided their minds about you. You can do 10 things right, but they will only focus on that one thing you did wrong. You can show up for them like 100 times, but they'll only talk about that one time you actually did not show up. And you can actually do 1,000 things right, and you can explain yourself like 100 times, but they will only listen the part that actually confirms what they actually believe. And honestly, these are the people we need to keep our distance from. Even though how much close those people are, we actually need to keep distance from people like this, because they actually don't care. They're just trying to find a reason to just blame you. They just are trying to find something against you so they can blame you for everything. Also, here is something where explaining becomes pointless, because why are you even explaining when they actually do not want to listen to you? I'm not saying ki, and also you cannot use this as an excuse, because everybody makes mistake. Okay, if you are wrong, admit it. If you have hurt somebody's feeling, apologize. If you know you have done something wrong and you know it, just take responsibility. People who genuinely care will give us room to grow. They will ask us, they'll, even though hum kitne bhi galat ho, they're gonna only focus on one thing. They'll try to focus on that one thing we might have did right. They'll try to, even though agar hamare mein koi अच्छा ही नहीं दिखे, फिर भी they'll try to at least find something. They'll take their time, but still stay in your life, stay in your lives. But there are some people who just want to find something and all, but they don't want to just stay in your life. You know what you have done, okay? You know what you have done right, what you have done wrong. You know your intentions. You know how many times you might have showed up for them. You know how many times you might have showed up for them, even when they don't know, even when nobody knows. You know how many things and what all things you have done for that person. So honestly, don't try, just don't spend your entire life proving that you are a good person, because you know yourself, okay? You know yourself the best. So stop explaining yourself to everyone and start protecting your peace. Protecting your peace is the मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट है, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज मेरे साथ बहुत होता है. मैं ऐसा हो गया कि मैं पीपल प्लीजर टाइप की पर्सन बन जाती हूँ कभी कभी, कि नहीं, वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहा होगा, या फिर इवन दो आई एम राइट, ऐसा लगता है कि देयर आर सो मेनी पीपल, इवन दो यू आर राइट, देयर आर पीपल हु एक्चुअली मिसअंडरस्टैंड इट. इट्स ओके. यू आल्सो माइट बी लाइक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग सो मेनी पीपल. They might be saying something else and you might be just interpreting it something else, but actually that is not the thing. You need to understand, if and this becomes very much important in relationships, in friendships, in family, because you don't want someone who agrees with everything you say or do. You want someone who wants to understand you, who wants to communicate with you, who wants to give you a room to grow, not someone who is like, oh, you did something wrong, okay, so you are a bad person. No, we don't want someone like that. And this is something we need to, because there is always a limit to making someone understand or explaining yourself. You cannot spend your entire life, or you cannot spend your entire time explaining yourself, because tell me, इतने बार एक्सप्लेन करने के बाद भी if that person is not understanding, it's what do you, मतलब इसके बारे में क्या पता चलता है, like that person genuinely doesn't want you ना, that that person is always trying to find something to blame you, because that is what it meant. Because मुझे लगता है कि there are people, okay, there are people who might do everything wrong, but still I want them to stay because they mean a lot to me. Even though I know they are wrong, I might take time, मुझे गुस्सा आ जाएगा, ऐसा हो जाता है कि limit gets crossed, limits get crossed, and you have to stop explaining after a certain point of time, because people who genuinely care about you are gonna understand, even from your tone, आपके बात करने के तरीके से, आपके expression से, they're gonna understand कि actually how you are feeling, how you were feeling, why you actually said that. And अगर इसके बाद भी they are like, no, you are the wrong, you are the bad person, then trust me, stop explaining and start protecting your peace. It's okay, don't talk, don't apologize, उसके बाद don't apologize सामने से. And I know that being misunderstood feels really bad, because if this is someone you actually care about, you want them to know the real you. You want them to know that you didn't mean to hurt them. You want them to know that you actually care about them. But sometimes you have to understand that they won't see the real side of you, they won't see that side of you. They've already decided that thing about you, and that's okay, because you can be a good person and still be misunderstood. You can have good intentions, but you can also make mistakes, and that's completely okay. That's completely fine. Start protecting your peace honestly, because it's extremely draining, when you keep trying to explain your side of the story, even though you are right, just because you care about that someone. But that someone doesn't care about you, because if he would have listened to you, he would have tried to communicate with you. But if that person is not doing any of it, after a limit, stop doing that. Just stop doing that, because it's gonna get you drained. Honestly, every energy of you will get drained, and you're gonna be very frustrated. And इस चक्कर में nothing is gonna go right. Nothing is gonna go right. ऐसा है कि अगर if you are having a particular misunderstanding with someone and you're trying to explain yourself, and that person doesn't even care, तुम्हारे बाकी aspect of life is gonna be ruined. Because मुझे लगता है कि मेरे साथ बहुत होता है कि अगर मैं अपने आप को एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ किसी पर्सन को, and that someone is not listening to me, मेरा एनर्जी इतना ड्रेन हो जाता है, because I am the type of person who overthinks a lot, and I'll keep thinking about that particular thing, that oh, she's thinking like that, or he's thinking like that, or should I do ये वो इतना, and I'll drain myself and drain my energy. and इस चक्कर में मैं किसी और के बारे में नहीं सोचती, मैं कुछ और चीज के बारे में सोच भी नहीं पाती, and then इस चक्कर में मेरा बहुत कुछ डिले हो जाता है, मैंने बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें पेंडिंग हो जाती है, and then pending leads to more frustration, and it just leads to unproductivity, and it makes me feel like I'm very unproductive, and I've wasted my time, I've wasted my day, and that is something you shouldn't do. So start protecting your peace. जहाँ पे लगता है you need to explain things, apologize, and जहाँ पे लगता है ना it's like done, like इससे ज्यादा मैं कुछ नहीं बोल सकता या बोल सकती, अगर तुमने you have explained everything, and even after that that person has not at all understood you, then stop right there. Just stop right there. In this world, protecting your peace at this time, right, currently, is very, very important, because agar you are gonna prove yourself right now, even after that, they might find another reason to blame you. What if you sort things? You can sort things, and that person can again find another reason to blame you. Pleasing people, and start respecting yourself, start protecting your peace, because that is what is gonna lead you to something big. It's gonna give you the inner peace, and it's gonna make you independent. You don't have to always depend on somebody else's opinion on you. And you can be wrong, but you have to own it now. If you're wrong, no, apologize, but everything has a limit. Everything has a limit, okay? And someone who genuinely wants you to stay in their life will make an effort, will try to listen to you. And if someone doesn't want you to stay, or someone always wants to blame you, they're gonna blame you no matter what you do. Okay, guys, I think I'm done with my chapar chapar. Hey guys, actually बैक एंड दिस टाइम मेरा थोड़ा सा वीडियो डिले हो गया। पता है ये जो कैफे है यहाँ पे मैं पहली बार भी आई थी, लाइक मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने यहीं पे शूट किया था अपना पहला वीडियो। एंड तो तो ठीक है, तो मैंने यहाँ के स्टाफ के साथ में एक रील भी बनाया था, वो जो कि मैंने कभी पोस्ट नहीं किया था, तो उतना अच्छा नहीं आया था। सो तो आज जब मैं ऑर्डर दे रही थी, तो ऑर्डर देने के बाद मुझे लगा कि वो भैया मुझे नहीं पहचानेंगे, बिकॉज मैं लास्ट वीक भी यहाँ आई थी मेरे बर्थडे के टाइम, एंड उन्होंने मुझे रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया, तो मुझे लगा कि हो सकता है वो मुझे नहीं पहचानेंगे, बट then मैं आ जाई। तो अब देन आज मैंने देखा कि काउंटर पे उन्हीं के साथ दिखने वाला दो लोग थे, एंड आई वाज लाइक एक्सट्रीमली कंफ्यूज। तो मुझे लगा कि जिस साइड में शूट की वो राइट में खड़ा है, ठीक है, तो मैं उसको देख रही थी, और लेफ्ट वाला मेरा ऑर्डर ले रहा था, जो कि थोड़ा सा उसने कुछ कैप वैप नहीं पहना था, तो मैं उतने अच्छे से मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया। फिर जब मैं ऑर्डर देकर जब जा ही रही थी, तो आवाज आता है ना, अचानक से आवाज आता है कि मैम आपने अपना वीडियो नहीं भेजा। आई टर्न स्माइल, वेरी ऐसे एकदम ब्राइट स्माइल हो गया, बिकॉज ओके उन्होंने पहचान लिया। फिर मैंने देखा कि आवाज कहाँ से आता है, मैंने देखा लेफ्ट वाले भैया से आवाज आया है। आई वाज लाइक आप मुझे पहचाने? तो ही वाज लाइक ऑब्वियसली मैं आपको पहचान गया। लाइक ओके, फिर उसके बाद फिर मैंने जब पूछा ना अच्छे से उनको, तो पता चला कि वो दोनों ट्विंस नहीं है, दे आर लाइक ब्लड रिलेटेड, बट दे आर एक्चुअली नॉट ट्विंस। मुझे लगा ट्विंस है, बट देन मैंने उनको पूछा फिर कि आप लास्ट वीक थे जब मैं आई थी, तो ये वाज लाइक मैं इवनिंग मैंने सॉरी मैं उस टाइम दोपहर को आई थी, एंड दोपहर को वो नहीं रहते, वो मॉर्निंग में ही रहते हैं। लाइक ओके, वेरी नाइस। एंड आई ऑनेस्टली मैं कॉफी पर्सन नहीं हूँ, बट आई कैन से कि यहाँ का स्पेनिश लैटे इज बैंग, लाइक इट्स सुपर सुपर सुपर। मैं कॉफी पर्सन नहीं हूँ, बट मैं इस कॉफी को 1000 टाइम्स पी सकती हूँ, बिकॉज आई लव दिस। I love this coffee. Like I really, really love this coffee. I'm not a coffee person. I'm a chai person, but still, I love this coffee. Enough of shit talking, na. And the next time you find yourself in a position where you are like trying to explain yourself to someone, just ask yourself this question: that does this person really wants to understand me? And if the answer is yes, you can explain to them. You can explain yourself, your side, and if you ask yourself the question, and if the answer is no, even if you have explained yourself honestly and still they are choosing not to see the side of yours, and they are just trying to just assume the worst possible thing about you, you need to stop. You need to start protecting your peace, because you don't have to prove everybody that you are a good person. You don't have to prove everything good about you. You know that you are a good person, right? So start protecting your peace and stop over explaining to people who don't actually want to understand you, who don't want to listen to you. I think that was it, guys. I don't, मुझे लगता है मेरे पास ज्यादा नहीं था इस बारे में बात करने का, but I think I really wanted to talk about on this topic, because I think I have found myself in this position multiple times where I am trying to explain myself to someone, and that someone is not at all listening, until unless I start crying, or until unless I have the worst type of feelings inside of me. So I think but now that I have decided, I think I am changing myself a lot. Nowadays I see things from a very different perspective. Now at first I was like, I used to care about a lot about people, I used to care a lot about people, that what they are thinking about me, what if they're gonna judge me, if they're gonna think wrong about me. And nowadays I'm like, okay, if you want to think wrong about me, think, because if you genuinely care about me, you're gonna come back, you're gonna try to sort things out. And nowadays I'm protecting my peace, because that's what you can do for yourself, and that's something nobody else is gonna do for you. But I want to say that you can be a good person but still make mistakes. Okay, everybody makes mistakes. We are human. We are not some perfectionists that we are the perfect ones. We make mistakes. I make mistakes, you make mistakes, but इट्स नॉट लाइक कि जिस बंदे ने तुमको मिसअंडरस्टैंड किया है वो बंदा कभी गलत नहीं हुआ होगा. इफ दैट पर्सन नेवर मेड मिस्टेक, दे आल्सो मेड मिस्टेक, बट व्हाट डिड यू डू? यू चोज टू understand, you chose to listen to them even when you know they are wrong. You took your time and still forgive them. Why? Because you care about them, you want them in your life, you love them. That's it. And I think that was it, guys. I hope you like this video. Mera chatter putter, I think I'm very much late this time. I have like not uploaded in the right time. Sorry for that. And I'm very very sorry to myself. मुझे लगता है कि मैं टाइम पे अपलोड नहीं करती तो मुझे ही बुरा लगने लग जाता है कि ओ शिट मैं लेट हो गई, ओ शिट मैं लेट हो गई. बट it's fine, it's completely fine. Bye bye. I think we're gonna meet soon. Bye bye.